Your question is, a member of a state public service commission may be removed by, your options are A, the governor on the basis of impeachment in Vidhan Sabha, B, the governor after the inquiry conducted by the Supreme Court, C, the president after the inquiry conducted by the Supreme Court, or D, the governor after the inquiry conducted by the High Court. Right answer is C, the president after the inquiry conducted by the Supreme Court. Your question is, in the removal of which of the following officials does the parliament not play any role? 1. Judges of High Court. 2. Judges of the Supreme Court. 3. Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission. 4. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. Quotes. Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 3 and 4 only, C. 1, 2 and 3 only, or D. 3 only. Right answer is D. 3 only. Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission. Your question is, which of the following is correct about Union Public Service Commission of India? Your options are A. It supervises the State Public Service Commission. B. It has nothing to do with State Public Service Commission. C. All its members are taken from State Public Service Commission. Or D. It sends annual guidelines to State Public Service Commissions. Right answer is B. It has nothing to do with State Public Service Commission. Your question is, the Union Public Service Commission submits its annual report to the, your options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, or D. Home Minister. Right answer is B. President. Your question is, which one of the following is correct? Union Public Service Commission is a, your options are A. Regulatory organization, B. Legal organization, C. Established by parliamentary ordinance, or D. Constitutional organization. Right answer is D. Constitutional organization. Your question is, the first woman chairman of Union Public Service Commission UPSC is, your options are A. Sheila Dikshit, B. Rose Matthew, C. Veena Majumdar, or D. Margaret Alva. Right answer is B. Rose Matthew. Your question is, in which year PC Hota Committee on Civil Services Reforms was constituted? Your options are A. 2003, B. 2004, C. 2005, or D. 2006. Right answer is B. 2004. Your question is, the expenses of the Public Service Commission of Uttar Pradesh are charged upon. Your options are A. Consolidated Fund of India, B. Consolidated Fund of State, C. Its own fund generated by fees, or D. Contingent Fund. Right answer is B. Consolidated Fund of State. Your question is, which act established a Public Service Commission in India for the first time? Your options are A. Indian Council Act 1892, B. Council Act 1909, C. Government of India Act 1919, or D. Government of India Act 1935. Right answer is C. Government of India Act 1919. Your question is, which article of the Indian Constitution describe the Central Vigilance Commission? Your options are A. Article 268, B. Article 280, C. Article 276, or D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. Your question is, in which year was accounting separated from auditing and Comptroller and Auditor General's task only reminded confined to auditing the government accounts? Your options are A. 1975, B. 1977, C. 1976, or D. 1981. Right answer is C. 1976.